Hello, this is Ribon Hussain Chopal from wpthemehat once again, and today we will discuss about another WordPress theme that is called Hunter, Hunting an Outdoor WordPress theme. It is also made by Vicro Themes. So, by this theme, you will get the opportunity to make your hunting an outdoor WordPress website. So if you want to make your hunting or your outdoor services website, then this one will be the perfect one. And there is very few themes that are available in this topic, and Hunter, this one will kill your website. So let's get started. So by this few dollars, $39, and few times it also get the intro sale, or it's got the flash sale also. So the price will reduce a little bit on some time. So by this few dollars, you can make your whole website. So if you download this website, I will put the link in the description below. If you download this website, then this theme, then you will get this Hunter final file here. And obviously you need to set up your WordPress site, as I have set a new one here. And if I visit this one will be like this. And if we have a look on how this website will look if you make with this theme, then we need to click on here the live preview button. And then it will come with a beautiful web home page. So if I scroll down a bit, you will see how beautiful this is. And it is having 5 more home pages. In total, 5 home pages. So you can have a look and check all of them and see which one will perfect for you. And we are having here 2 about us pages. We are having here the service, then team details. We are having the shop page so that you can sell your products through this. And we are having the blog options and a contact us page. So you can have a look on all of these options and check if it's perfect for your website or not. So after downloading the theme, you will get here like a final file, and you need to extract this file here. So you need to extract here, and inside this file you will get another full file that is combined with demo data, documentation, Hunter and Hunter child. So this hunter.zip is the main one that we need. So we will go to our WordPress site that we have just installed right now. And after that, we need to go here in appearance themes. Then we will click on here add new theme button. Then in the upload theme, we need to click here, and you can drag and drop from here to here and click on the install now button. After completing the installation, you need to click on here the activate button. Then after activating the theme, you will have a pre-look of this website, that how this is looking. So the website will look like this. And after that, you need to click on here the prompt begin installing plugins. So you need to install all the plugins that is recommended by this theme. So we'll install all the plugins here. After completing the plugin installation, we need to click on here return to required plugin installer. So we'll click here, and then we will select again all the plugins and click on to the active button, then click on the apply. Then the Elementor prompt will come. We don't need to set the Elementor prompt here, so we'll click the cross icon here. Then after that, this theme is having, as I said, the preload 5 home pages and 2 about pages, then some inner pages with service, team, and team details, some shop pages. We will import these pages in few times. So there is called appearance, then import demo data. So we can have all the options that this WordPress website is having. So from this import demo data, we will click on here the import demo data, so we can have the exact same things that this WordPress theme is having. after having the demo data, then we'll modify the themes to make the website look like as our need. So we'll click on here again to continue and import, and it will take few times to importing the content. Till then, please wait. Within few minutes, your demo import will be completed. So now we can go here and click the refresh button here to check how our website is looking. So the initial look will be like this. As you can see here, it will be like this one. So it is almost same as we have seen in our this part. So there might be some issues here with the you can see here only one social icon is coming, other is missing here, and in the language tab, language selections, you will see like this. So we'll fix these things. And if we go to the shop page, you will see the URL that has been changed. So it will be as blank. So for that we need to remove the 4 here, or if your WordPress has generated the link to another URL, then you need to just click to the shop, then enter the URL here, and then you will see your website look like this. And you can see here the add to it list wish list is broken also. So we'll fix that too, that how we can fix that. And social icon is having some issues also, so we'll fix all of these things. So first of all, we need to go here in settings, then in the permalinks. This thing is mandatory to do, you need to do it so it can run smoothly. So you need to select on the post name and then click on the save changes button. And after that, you will need to go to the Elementor here. We need to do some here and there for the Elementor things. You need to click on the settings button, and from here we need to click on disable default colors and disable default fonts. So we'll check this one, these two, and click on save changes. And we'll check the advanced tab 2, and you can load the font or some font support to yes, and click on the save changes button. And we will go here in the Elementor in the tools sections also. Then in here you can regenerate CSS and data, so it will help you to load your website faster and make a new CSS for your website. So you can click on the save changes button, and here in the settings, in the features tabs, you can go there, and inline fonts icon, that you need to select inactive. So if you select the inactive, then the font or some issues will be solved also. So if I go here in my site, and you can see here the social icon is broken, and give the refresh now, then it has been fixed successfully. Now we'll check how we can fix this add to wish list issue too. Okay. So for fixing that add to wish list button, we need to go here in TI wish list. Then you will see the export import setting. So we need to go there, and in our demo data folder, you can extract it. And inside the demo data, you will see the wish list setting name. Then you will need to go inside, and you will see the Huntar wishlist.json. You need to drag and drop this one to here, and click on the import button. So after importing it, you need to click on here the save button, and you need to go here and refresh this. And if you go here, you will see the wishlist button has been fixed. And you can see maybe this icon is also not loading here properly. So we need to write some CSS here. As you can see here, it is not working perfectly, so we'll copy this one, and we need to go here in appearance. Then we need to go here the customize, and we need to write some CSS for fixing this issue. As you can see, here the font awesome is not loading here perfectly because we using the font awesome 5 Pro version. So for loading that, we need to go here and paste this one, and we need to obviously write here the important here, and click on the publish button. And if I go and give the refresh here, then you will see it is loading perfectly. So if I click here, you can see the a prompt that is coming for a short details, short descriptions is coming here. So from here you can see your products info. So now we'll go back to the home page again. Yeah, one more thing remain here in the language tab. You will see like this, but in our live website it is like this now. So for customize these things, for fixing these things, we need to go in settings. Then you will see this G translate button. We'll go there, and from there we'll select the widget looks to only language names. We'll select to the language names, and after that we'll click on the save changes button. And then if I go here and give the refresh, then you will see this has been fixed successfully. So after completing the demo import, you need to do these few things for make your website look smooth, look beautiful, and look better. Now it's time to edit our header and footer part and the content area that is having with this website. So there are two types of header here. One is global and one is a specific home page or a specific page header footer. So that way we have controlled the header and footer is the same way in the same place. So suppose you are wanting to edit this home page header, so you need to hover on edit with Elementor, then you will see two posts, footer version 1 and header version 2. So if I click on the header version 2 here and open it in a new tab, then the options to edit this header will come. So this is for a specific home, like I am editing this one for the home 1. So there will be the options for home 2, home 3 or home 5, and from here you can edit your website content. So here the header parts, you can change the office locations, Google Map URL, then the background image, then you will have the options to edit the social icons here, then the logo here that you want to set, then the button URL, then the show wish list, or if you want to show wish list or not, or show cart or not. So if I click on here, you will see the wish list button. If I click the show cart, then that option will be also available. So right now we don't need that. This way you can edit your content here, and you can select the header version to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which one do you want, and you can select the top bar styling, you can have the menu bar color, you can have the cart wish list setting, you can have the button color. So you will have all of the options to change your content from here. So after making these changes, you need to click here to the update button, then all of your updating things will be available to your real website. And for setting this website header, you need to click on here with edit with Elementor button. So I'll open it in a new tab, and I will show you how this header has been set for this specific home page. So we have click on the edit with Elementor button, and for setting the specific header, we will go here in the settings tab. As you can see here, then you will see two things, header and footer options here. So we'll click on the header options, and you will see that header version 2 is selected here. You can select the header version 1 here. So I'll select the header version 1 for the specific home page, and we'll give the update, and we'll check how this website is looking with the header version was 1. So in the header version 1, you will see this one is the look of the header version 1. And now if you want to edit this header version 1, obviously you need to hover on here and click on the header version 1 to edit our header part. So this way you can edit your specific header. Suppose if I go to the home 2, in here home version 4 is selected, as you can see here. So if you hover on edit with Elementor, then you will get the opportunity to edit the home version 4 header. If I go to the home 5 here, then home 5 header is set it to header version 1. So this way you can have the options to choose your header for the specific home page. Now suppose you want to edit your global header, suppose for the blog page or for the contact page or for the about us page. So you will have the same header here, same, all of them will be same, not a single line difference. So for controlling this one, you need to go here in the Hunter options, then you need to click here to the header part. And in here you will have the options to select which kind of header you actually want in your global header. So right now we are using the pre-built one. You can have the options to select your header builder. So if you click on the header builder, then you will have the options to select the header. So in the drop down you will have the options, all of your header will come here, and if you select the home version 5 header, then click on the save changes button, then you will see the magic. The header that has been completely changed. As you can see here in the blog page, it is completely changed, and in the contact page it also has been changed. And if I give a refresh now, boom, and in the about us page it also same. Okay, maybe in the about us page we have selected a specific header, that is header version 1, that's why it is not changing. Hope you get it right, that we have select another header for this specific home page. Now how to edit this blog page header? Now that is also the same one. You need to hover on the edit with Elementor button, and you will have the options to see which header and footer is working for this specific home page. So footer version 1 is for this one, and also home version 5 is for this header. So you need to click on here and edit the header and the footer part of this specific home page or the global options. So all of your header and footer that will be available under the header Hunter builder, and you will see your footer builder, and we are having these 3 footer options here available. You can make your new ones with your Elementor editing skills, and you will have the options to build the header builder also, and you will have the 5 header to modify your header, all of your home pages or your inner pages. So this way you can easily change your header and footer just by clicking here and there. And in the Hunter options, if you want to choose the global footer, then you need to go here to the footer options. Then you need to select, it is already selected to the footer builder, and footer version 1 is selecting as a global footer here. We will have the options to pre-build footer also, so we will not use that because it will not look that good in the global options. So this way you can set your header and footer, right? Now we will check how we can modify our this area in the breadcrumb part, this area how we can configure this part now. So for this breadcrumb area, we are having a options here in the page, in the Hunter options, then go to the page, then we will have the options to change the breadcrumb image. So if I click on the upload button, and in the media library I need to select a bigger image. So this one is enough bigger. So if I click on the select, then click on the save changes button, you will see that this image has been changed to this one. na? So this way you can change the breadcrumb image, and you are having some other options too, that breadcrumb show or hide, or the breadcrumb color, active color. So we'll have options to select that. Now suppose you want to show that in about us page 2 or in your service page, you want to show a specific breadcrumb image. So for that you need to click here to edit page, and in the edit page area you will have this style, the page meta style, and you will have that page breadcrumb area show, and page breadcrumb settings is to global settings. Global means it will come from here, and if you select from global to page settings, then if you add a breadcrumb image to this, if I upload a new one to here and select this one for this and click on the update button, then we will check that how this breadcrumb is looking. So in the about us 2 page, you will see the breadcrumb image has been changed, but in the blog page it is remaining the same one that we have used here. And in here we are having some page title settings to default title, or you can set the custom title. So I'll check to the default title, and the breadcrumb we are having the options to show it or not. So by default it is not, that's why the breadcrumb part is not coming here. If I select this one and click on the update button, then if I give a refresh, it will show here. So by this way you can edit your breadcrumb area. Now we will check how we can edit our homepage content. So for editing our homepage content, we will go here in our edit with Elementor functions, and from here you will just need to click on the elements that you want to edit. So we are having the banner slider, we are having 5 slider style. So you will have to change it. You are having the options to change the banner images and the title that you will see here. So we'll edit some title here, and if I add some title here as a soon text, and you can have the options to explore now to coming soon, then it will change na? And you can edit the URL too. So I'll can convert it into the only hash. So if I convert it into hash, then the hash will come only na? So you can edit this slider here, you can edit this content here with the repeater options that are available. You will have the options to change this icons also, and you will have the options to add your deer image or your any kind of hunting picture or the video link that you want to set. And in here you will have the service slider, so you can set your style from here. As you can see, only by one click you are having 6 style of the service sections. You are having to edit the theme that you are having. You can modify your customer review here. You can have all of the options, and this blog post, it is coming from the post. As you can see here, this is the blog post area, and it will come from your post area. And the footer part, as you have seen the header part, the same way goes to the footer part also. So after making the changes, you need to click on the update button, and then you can see your updated things in your live website. And now we'll go for review the shop pages. As you know, the menu URL will get changed sometimes. So for viewing the real pages, you need to click on here the pages, and you will have the shop page here. So we'll need to go more, because the more page are available here. You'll see the shop page, and you need to see that the real shop page as defined this one. So we'll click on view here, and we'll check uh, how this functionality is working for add to cart and wish list. Na? So if I click on add to cart button for this product, then the view cart will be text will be sent here, and we can check the wish list button here. If I click on the wish list button, then the view wish list come. Then if we click on the view wish list, then it will take us to the wish list page and the product will be added to the wish list here. Now if I go here back to the shop page again and click on the add to cart button again, remember this is the 2 time I have added this one. So if I click on the view cart button, then you will see these options here, and the product descriptions and the things that you are seeing, that is here. So you need to click on here with proceed to checkout button, and in the checkout button you will see the product descriptions and the other things, as you can see. Then you will see some contact information, then the first name, then the billing address and the other stuff also. So after that you can place the order here. So this way you can edit your shop page content, and you can modify your content from the here also. As you can see here in WooCommerce page, you will have some options to choose the product style, the upsell number of products. You will have some options here. And now we will go here on the contact us page and check how we can edit this contact us page here. So I'll click on here with edit with Elementor button. After that, we'll see a form like this. So if I click on the form, then we will see a shortcode. So this shortcode is coming from here. If I go on here in the contact tab, and we have installed a plugin called Contact Form 7, and this form is coming from there. So if I see the contact version 1, then if we edit this contact version 1, then these changes will be applied also in the contact page. So as you can see here, the contact form has been made. If I want to edit here, then we need to make a new one with the markup here. So if I duplicate a new one, Control C and just Control V it, and we have just duplicate a new one to here. If I click on the save button, and if I give a refresh only, then you will see that another elements has added here. So you will see the advanced type that has been added successfully here. Now you want to that you want to add another drop down with a full width. So in here I have added with the call LD6 or call MD 6, then you need to make it 12. So it will come with the full width. So if I click on the save button now and give a refresh, then we will see this advanced type that has been full width. And you can change the image from here, and you have the opportunity to change the phone numbers and all the things, and you can maintain your map also. Here's the interesting thing: if you go here and click on the map, then the editing options will not come. You need to click on the specific icon, or you need to enable the navigator here, and inside the navigator you will see the option sections and then column, then the Google Maps. So you will need to click here and change the map locations from here, and the zoom level and the height also. So by this way you can edit your contact page. And if I see on the live preview, then you will see the changes is available here. So by this way you can make your complete hunting and outdoor services website for your customer. You will have the opportunity to have the wish list, and you can see the cart options too. You will have these options too, and I will check now how you can edit this off canvas area. Na? So for editing this off canvas area, you will have the options to appearance, then you need to go here to the widgets, and from the widgets you will have this list view, and in the off canvas sidebar, as you can see here in the off canvas sidebar, you will have the options to change the images, then the paragraph in here, then the custom HTML contact form, then the legacy widgets for the recent post area. So from for changing that widgets area, for this widgets area, you need to change that from here. So that was the last thing to mention for this WordPress website that you will make or you will modify. So thank you very much. See you in our next episode. Tata, bye bye.